Current market action for Beyond Meat Inc. (Nasdaq YYYOND) is showing a live price of $1.34 USD, experiencing a downward intraday adjustment of approximately 3.36% or $0.045 as of this very moment. We are watching the stock struggle to find a floor after a period of intense volatility that saw it spike significantly in prior sessions, only to face renewed selling pressure today. The chart is painting a picture of a battleground. Bears are pressing their advantage on the fading momentum from the recent speculative rally, while bulls are desperately trying to hold the line above the psychological support levels near the $1.30 mark. The volume is ticking over, but it's the tension in the price action that tells the real story. Every cent of movement right now is being contested by high-frequency algorithms and retail traders looking for a reversal. Expectation versus reality. That is the only game that matters when you are looking at a distressed asset like Beyond Meat. The general expectation, the lazy narrative you will see floating around social media and headline-skimming articles, is that this company is dead walking. The expectation is that the plant-based meat fad is over, the balance sheet is broken, and bankruptcy is just a matter of time. You see the stock trading at $1.34, down over 90% from its all-time highs, and the natural human instinct is to look away, to assume the story has ended. But the reality? The reality is far more complex, far more dangerous, and potentially far more lucrative for those who actually understand what is happening under the hood. The reality is that we are not just watching a company failing, we are watching a massive financial restructuring play that has turned this stock into a volatility engine. The recent 48% surge wasn't a glitch. It was a signal that the capital structure of this company is shifting, and the market is completely mispricing the timeline of its survival. While the expectation is a quiet disappearance, the reality is a loud, messy, and volatile battle for survival that is creating massive intraday swings that day traders dream of.